Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into one of the most exciting ways to earn an income online, selling digital products. If you've ever dreamed of creating something once and selling it over and over again, this video is for you. We'll break down the entire process, from finding your winning idea to making your first sale. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a digital product? It's anything you can sell and deliver online without any physical inventory. Think ebooks, online courses, software, templates, music, or even stock photos. The beauty is the scalability. You build it once, and it can generate revenue for you while you sleep. The profit margins are fantastic because there are no shipping or manufacturing costs. The first and most crucial step is choosing the right product to sell. Don't just pick something you think is cool. Solve a real problem for a specific audience. What are people struggling with? What questions do they keep asking? Your best product idea lies at the intersection of what you're passionate about, what you're skilled at, and what people are willing to pay for. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could sell social media templates. If you're a fitness coach, you could create a workout plan, ebook, or a video course. Do some market research. Check out forums like Reddit, Facebook groups, or even the comment sections of popular YouTube channels in your niche. See what people are asking for help with. These will validate your idea and ensure there's a demand. Once you have your idea, it's time to create your product. This is where the magic happens. The key here is to focus on quality and delivering massive value. Don't cut corners. If you're writing an ebook, make sure it's well written, professionally formatted, and provides actionable advice. Choose. If you're creating a course, use a good microphone and make your lessons clear and engaging. Remember, your product is a reflection of your brand. A high-quality product leads to happy customers, great testimonials, and more sales down the line. You can use tools like Canva for design, Audacity for audio editing, or Teachable and Kajabi for hosting courses. You don't need a Hollywood budget to create something amazing. Now that your digital product is ready, you need a place to sell it. This is your online storefront. You have a few great options here. You could use a dedicated platform like Gumroad, Sendao, or Podia. These are fantastic because they handle the payment processing and automatic file delivery for you, making your life so much easier. They're built specifically for selling digital goods. Another option is to use an e-commerce plugin like WooCommerce if you have a WordPress website. This gives you more control over the branding and customer experience. And of course, you can sell on marketplaces like Etsy, which is perfect for creative products like templates and digital art. Choose the platform that best fits your technical skills and business goals. The final piece of the puzzle is marketing. You've got a great product and a storefront, but how do you get people to buy? You need to build an audience. Content marketing is your best friend here. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast related to your product's topic. Provide free, valuable content that helps your target audience. This builds trust and positions you as an expert. For example, if you're selling a course on SEO, create videos about keyword research tips. Within your content, you can naturally mention your paid product as a more comprehensive solution.
Okay.
Email marketing is also incredibly powerful. Your offer or freebie, like a checklist or a short guide, in exchange for someone's email address. Then, you can build a relationship with your subscribers and promote your product directly to them. Social media is great for driving traffic and engaging with your community. Find where your audience hangs out, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, and be active there. And that's the blueprint for selling digital products online. It's a journey that takes effort, but the freedom and scalability it offers are totally worth it. Start small, focus on solving a problem, create a high-quality product, and be consistent with your marketing. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building your online business. Drop a comment below and let me know what digital product you're thinking of creating. I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next video.